Good morning, students. You are welcome to learn maths activities. Today I will teach you
to verify that tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal by paper folding activity. And to perform this activity, you will require a glazed paper, another glazed paper, ruler, all pins, glue, scissor, and a marker. First of all, you will draw a circle on the blue glazed paper and you will try to cut it out. Using a scissor, and you will get a circle. After getting the circle, you will try to find its center by folding it in two halves from the middle, and you will get a small crease. Now again fold perpendicular to the previous fold. You will get a crease again, which will cut the previous crease as well, and the intersection point will be the center of this circle. So where the two creases intersect each other, that is our center of the circle, and we mark it by a marker, and we will pierce it using a awl pin exactly where the center is. So in this way, students, we are able to get the center of the circle. And now we will label this center using a marker as O. Now we place it above the yellow glazed paper on one left side, and we will try to paste the circle like this using a Fevicol. We must use the Fevicol in small amounts. You have to place it nicely in the left side of the yellow glazed paper. Now we choose a point P external to the circle in the right side, and we will label it as P. Now from this external point we will try to make tangent by paper folding. We will take the help of a scale and we will place the scale so that its edge passes touching the circle and to the point P. Exactly. And now we will hold the scale tightly and fold the paper slightly like this to get a crease passing through the point P and touching the circle at one point. Now we will properly fold this crease to get a tangent passing through the point P and touching the circle. And now we will mark this tangent by using a marker. So students, you can see that we have got the first tangent to the circle at the point A from the external point P. The tangent AP is touching the circle at point A. Now we try to get the other tangent from the external point P to the circle. By taking the help of the scale, we will place the edge of the scale such that it passes through the external point P again and touches the circle. As you can see, you have to place the edge of the scale exactly. And now you can hold the scale tightly and fold the paper using the help of the edge of the scale. So in this way you will get another tangent to the circle, touching the circle and passing through the point P. The purpose of the using scale is to get a straight fold. Now we will mark the crease properly and now we will use the marker to mark the crease to get the required tangent very carefully using a marker. Hence you have got another tangent PB. So we have two tangents from the external point. Now we will again fold the paper such that the crease passes from the center O and the point P. And again we will take the help of the scale by placing its one edge passing through the center and the point P. We must hold the scale properly, then only we should fold it carefully. You can see the crease is passing from the center O and passing through the point P as well. Now we will fold the lace paper properly to get proper fold or the crease, and we will again use the scale to mark this crease running from P to O. Carefully. We have marked the line. Now we will mark points properly which are touching the circle at A and B and join them with the center of the circle. OA and then OB. So students, you can clearly see that we have got two triangles OAP and OBP. They have OP as common side. OA is equal to the radius and OB is also the radius of the circle. Now we want to verify that AP is equal to BP. Now OP is common and OA and OB are radius, but we don't know about whether AP is equal to BP. Also, even we don't know whether the angle OAP and OBP are right angles. So students, we reverse fold on OP like this, and we pierce the point A using a awl pin, and we will see whether this awl pin also passes through the point B on the other side. You can see. Let us see. Wow. A and B are common points. That is, the base OP is common, the radius are common, and the point A and B are also common, means AP overlaps BP perfectly. That is, the two tangents are equal. So we can see clearly that the two triangles are congruent and we have got the two tangents. So angle OAP and OBP are right angles. Hence we get tangent AP is equal to tangent BP by paper folding activity. We can mark the right angles as well. OAP is one right angle and OBP is the other right angle, because the tangents are perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact to a circle. Hence, students, we have got the verification that the tangents drawn from an external point are equal, and we can verify this also now by RHS property of triangles of congruency. Hence, tangents to a circle from an external point are equal. So students, the write-up for the activity number 6 is here given. Please complete your activity in time.
Students, I hope most of your theoretical doubts have been cleared by this activity. Thank you for watching it.